This might be the craziest AI video you will ever watch. You cannot find what I'm about to show you anywhere, only in this video. In this video, we will be creating an AI UGC video ad from Higgsfield with Seedance 2.0 for absolutely free. And on top of that, it will do everything fully on automatic, on autopilot. Let me show you how it works. So first off, we take a product. I am choosing this dress because we cannot see her face, and I will also show you that the AI will generate her face too. Okay, so that you don't even need a full picture. I copy the link URL, I go back to Claude, go to code, and in the new session, so this is the trick. I have created a skill that's called AI Video Generator Free Ad. Okay, and you can find the skill in my school community, in the classroom, and here in skill directory. And you will find it here, free ad skill download, and it's the latest version. The link to my school community AI video generator will be down in the description and in the comment section. Back to the video. Here I will tell Claude, use AI video generator free ad skill for this product. And that's it. It will create everything on autopilot, and I will show you the process. You can also put more products in line and it will create each product after each other, okay? I will also explain how everything works during the process and also in the end why it works, okay? So let's start. So this skill is installed in Claude Desktop. You need to have Claude Desktop app to run this skill. And in my school community, I show you how to upload this skill into Claude. Okay, so as you can see, it starts off by adding the product to Higgsfield Marketing Studio. I haven't touched anything. I will not touch anything as well. And you can see it has added the product and it will fetch the product. It means that it's gonna take the information from that product, for example, the image. See, it's fetching. And now, as you can see, it took the image, okay? Even writing the script for Instagram posts and TikTok posts. And as you can see, it opened Google Chrome fully automatically. And for this, you need Claude for Chrome, and it's an extension. I show you how to get it in my school community as well. But as you can see, I don't touch anything. It will do everything itself, okay? And you can see what it's doing in Claude. It says that I was on the Google Omni page and it will change to Seedance Unlimited. It means free, as you can see. And now it changed the page to video, as you can see, so that it can use Seedance. And as you can see, it will create the prompt. Look, I don't touch anything. It will write the prompt for this dress, okay? So it will also upload the image that it just downloaded from the website, from the product site. It will drag and drop it automatically. So as you can see, it uploaded the image and it's uploading. I have still not touched anything. We can see the progress in Claude. One file input, one drop zone file. Let me fetch the product. After it adds, it will wait 30 seconds to make sure the product is added. Okay, so I have created this skill and I have learned it to wait 30 seconds after adding the image, because before it could add the image 2-3 times and then you would have 3 images. As you can see from before, there were 2 images there. So I have fixed this by telling it to wait 30 seconds, and I am always improving this skill, okay? Every time I can find a way to improve it, I will improve it. I will also improve the prompts and the ads. Once an ad does good, I will update the skill so that it prompts like that, so that we get better quality ads and better results and sales performance. Okay, as you can see, now it will add the prompt. See? It already has written the prompt, the script and everything. See, selfie style, UGC testimonial. It does everything automatically. The orange mouse is the AI, okay? I haven't clicked or touched anything. I just showed you the text with my mouse. And now it will fix the settings for this. As you can see, look, I don't touch. it will do 15 seconds. Right now it's 4 seconds. First, it will check the model that it's enhanced Seedance 2.0 and it's unlimited and exclusive version. With this, you get unlimited free generations in Higgsfield. Seedance 2.0 Mini Unlimited, okay? So it picked 15 seconds, as you can see, and now it will pick 720 in quality, and the aspect ratio is 916, so it will not touch that because I have learned it that 916 will be used to create these ads, okay? And now it will generate. It will click generate. Look, I don't touch anything. See? As you can see, it pressed on generate. Behind me, you can see. And now the video is processing and being generated, okay? So here in Claude, it will say that, you see that it changed the duration to 15 seconds and the quality from 480 to 720, and enhanced Seedance Unlimited is used. Generation started, and it will wait every 90 seconds. It's gonna check if it's finished, okay? So once it's finished, it will download this video automatically, and then it will add captions to the video, the coloring of the captions in the video, the karaoke style, you know, and it will add ambient noise in the background so it gets more realistic, and also it will add my own song, Ufuk Volcano, very subtle in the background, okay, because it makes the ads funnier to watch. So I have taught it to add my song. You can obviously change to your own song if you want. This skill will deliver 4 different ad copies in my case. One with no text, one with text, I mean captions, and one with music. And if I want, I could use 11 Labs translation again, voiceover translation, so it will generate 4 different style of videos. Because this free version, the only con about this is that the translation from English to Swedish is not very good, but it's good enough to create AI UGC content and ads that generate sales, okay? But if I want it even better, I will tell Claude, create the translation and use the 11 Labs API key and edit it with hyperframes, for example, and get the transcriptions with Groq, as I've taught you in the older videos, okay? In my school community, you can find on how to do all of these things. And once the video is generated, everything is automatic. Look, we have the video. The AI will start the video and listen to it. It will check again soon because it doesn't check every second. It checks every 90 seconds. So let's just wait a little bit more. While the AI is creating this, you can go to the store, you can take a shower, you can eat, you can watch football or anything you want to do. Everything is automatic. I can even play games on my computer or open a new tab and do something else, and everything will be done in the background automatically, okay? So as you can see, it's seeing the ad is finished, render is complete, it will grab the video's CDN URL and download it. Okay, so
Det här är
now,
en sån kläder man bara drar på sig
look,
och kan
the AI played it, I didn't play it.
Den sitter så fitt i midden och den bowlen ärerna gör hon så fin. Perfekt bara till jobbet och en middag ut. Jag älskar den. Det här.
Okay, so I didn't click on the video, the AI did. So the currently playing center video is finished and it has already downloaded it, okay? It will verify the file and get the Groq key. I'm showing you how to get the Groq key in my school community. It's very easy. You just paste it in here and it will add it to its memory. Confirmed Swedish audio, well lip synced. It's even checking the lip sync that it's good, okay? Now it's generating the captions. There is nothing else it's gonna do on Higgsfield, so that's why we watch Claude, because it has already generated the video and downloaded it. It will verify the caption frame. So right now everything has taken almost 15 minutes automatically, okay? And we are almost done here. It's checking if the size is good because some images is not 720 and 1280, so it will crop and fix the images so that the video gets 720 and 1280. And this check is made so that the video is perfect when it's generated. You just drag and drop in all social platforms you want it to be seen on. Okay, now the music version is created, and as you can see, done. The free ad is complete with 0 Higgsfield credits used. Okay, and you can see here we have 3 video copies, the Instagram post, the text, the description to post it, what to write. I just want to show you how the Instagram post copy looks like. So as you can see, you have the caption in Swedish, what to write with the link to the product and the hashtags. The SRT file, this is for the captions, the timings, and the manifest on how everything is done in this session, okay? And also, we got 3 videos. One is in English and then it translates, caption version, and then the music version. And that's really, really good. Let's watch the video. These will also be found on the desktop in your computer in a folder called ads. As you can see, desktop ads, Olivia vårklänning free ad. Let's watch it.
Det här är en sån klädnad man bara drar på sig och kan se elegant direkt. Den sitter så fitt i midden och den bowlen ärerna gör hon så fin. Perfekt bara till jobbet och en middag ut. Jag älskar den.
Wow, I have no words. This is gold, okay? This is so good. We have just created Content Factory. Let me show you how much credits I have in my Higgsfield. I have 861, okay? I'm gonna do this process again and show you that I still have 861, and I will fast forward in the next. So let's go back to the website. As you can see, it created the face as well. This is amazing. I can even use the green one. So let's use the green one, okay? So we change the green because the URL is different. Go back to Claude, new session. This is so good, man. It's so crazy. So let me show you. Use free ad skill for this product. You can also just add the link. Use free ad skill and then this link, okay? That's it. I forgot to tell to do the green dress, the green variant, okay? Let's do it again. Let's do it again. The green variant, okay? Let's restart. Okay, so it opened Chrome. Let's open Chrome and watch. Here it is. It's gonna use this one. I want to show my hands because this is so crazy, man. So it will even remove the old one. See, it will remove the old photo because it knows it's not the correct one and upload the correct one. See, uploading. And boom, it's the green one. Look at that, how beautiful it is. This skill is absolutely phenomenal. And now it will choose the green one, as you can see. Let me remove my mouse from there. Yeah. It will change the prompt. First remove the old one and add the new one. See? Can you see? All right. And then generate. No, it's gonna check the settings first. I'm sorry. Look, I don't touch anything. Scroll down. It will first change the duration. See? It pressed generate. Wow, this is amazing. This skill and automation is just amazing. By the way, if I would use the same conversation, it would not create a new tab. As you can see, there are 2 tabs. One is from the black dress, and this is for the green dress. So it would just continue in the same tab. And here we have it. The video is ready. Let's see if Claude will realize and recognize it. I don't touch anything. It's gonna play the video, but I will pause the video because it's gonna
Det här är en sån klädning man bara drar på sig och känner sig fin direkt. Solen och skvän och den vanliga färden är helt underbar. Passformer men omlottkinnen sitter perfekt och är så smickrat. Perfekt för semestern och lycka sommarkvällar. Jag älskar den. Det här är en sån klädning man bara drar.
There you go. It's finished. It will download the video. Let's go back to Claude. I paused the video because it's gonna keep on looping, okay? So that you don't have to listen to it all over the YouTube video. So, as I said, my school community called AI Video Generator. Make sure you join so that you can also use this skill. It says it's done, 0 Higgsfield credits used, and as you remember, we had 861 and we have 861 left. Again, I will update the website so that you can see that we still have 861 left, okay? And we have generated this video and this video. And now we have the final product, the final video. Let's watch.
Det här är en sån klädning man bara drar på sig och känner sig fin direkt. Solen och skvän och den vanliga färden är helt underbar. Passformer men omlottkinnen sitter perfekt och är så smickrat. Perfekt för semestern och lycka sommarkvällar. Jag älskar den.
Bro, this is so crazy. Okay, and now I will explain to you why this works. First of all, as you can see, we are using enhanced Seedance 2.0 fast unlimited. Okay, you can also use Seedance 2.0 mini unlimited exclusive, but in this case I'm using the fast version because it's enhanced. Some of you will say, but you can use the Higgsfield MCP in Claude and do everything automatically in Claude already. You don't need to use Google Chrome. But no, here is the catch of it. These free versions does not exist in the MCP server, okay? So that's why we are using Claude in browser to make this work. So Claude Desktop app talks to the Claude Chrome app and back and forth to automate the whole system. If you were going to do this in Claude, it would use the credits. Okay, so it would use these, let's say Seedance 2.0 fast, and it would use the credits. So each generation would cost 53 credits. Okay, let's see how much the mini costs. 38. As you can see, Seedance 2.0 fast cost 53 and the mini costs 38. And these two is unlimited and free. This one, unlimited one, is free. And to get this, the free version, you need a plan on Higgsfield. So you need the paid version. But still, you can create unlimited amounts of videos, as many as you want, on autopilot with this method when you have a plan on Higgsfield. I have the Ultra plan, as you can see. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to join my school community because that's where all the magic happens. And see you in the next one.